Hey guys, I'm back here. Let's work a little more on the stuff we're supposed to. So, um, here we can see your game. Let's play it again so you guys know how it is. Right, working, jump, double jump here. When you die, you lost 70 points. Try again. Everything's working. If you press try again, it just throws you back into the game, which is good. But now we have a little problem. First of all, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking character movement feels a little plain. I don't know how to explain this better than that, but it feels too simple. So I want to create a trail render. So this is a type of situation I will actually turn off the display because I'm going to like browse some stuff that I'm not sure if I am allowed to show legally. So just in case, it's better to do this. So here we go. I'm going to say what I'm doing because I don't want to leave you guys like completely out of the loop, but basically what I'm doing is I'm getting this one asset that I have that basically will add pixel trails. So it's pretty good. But I'm not. I actually not sure if it works with 3D model. Because if it doesn't, then like I can't use it. So I hope it does work. So I'm going to do this real quick, and then we'll test it. Sorry, this is taking too long, but well, I have to do stuff right, so I won't do it twice, right? There we go. Okay, here we go. So I just imported it. Now I'm going to add this component. So sprite trail prefab. Let's go back here and let's call it the trail player. Trail always enable. Trail parent. Let's first try just playing this, see what happens. Okay, yeah, we don't have anything. It's trying to like duplicate a sprite. So yeah, adding that will not fix our problem. So that means we have to actually go and do stuff. So once again, I'm going to disable. Actually, no. Let's create this trail with my hand. What we're going to do is we're going to create this as bumped diffuse. Actually, no. Sorry. diffuse. And let's just grab the player. Sorry, not that. Come on. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this dude. I'm going to go Faucet Uni. Let's create a level of detail. Prefab. Open it up. Okay, this is not going to help. Well, let's delete that, and we'll have to actually just do a color, I guess. Actually, wait a second. I'm not sure, but maybe this chaos here would be cool. Let's see. Okay, that looked definitely strange. So, this chaos is not good. Not a good choice. I'm gonna put white because it's a color that's easy to manipulate in here. First, I don't want this to follow to all that long, you know. Hey, worthless germ. So yeah, first I don't want this to follow like through like 5 seconds. That might be too much. So let's make it 2 and let's see how it looks. Okay, this is still too much. What about 0.4? Okay, it feels a little bit better, right? Yeah, it feels better. So let's pause that. Here we put 4, and now let's start doing some cool stuff. I want the color to be like, let's go from like this kind of red to this kind of blue, and here we put this really like this with, let's put it 0.5, actually 0.8, and then let's add a key here to this, to the width over time, and make it like this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it's looking really ugly, which is not cool. So probably this trail thing is not a good thing. So let's make it additive, the material additive. Okay, this looks cool. It's always going to be a little bit brighter than like the background. Let's lose. But I guess that's okay. It's not going to look too bad. If that's the case, then we can have like white and white. We don't need the colors. We don't need to worry about it. It's like data we're not using anyway, so there you go. No colors. We don't care about that. Let's do this. Let's bring this back here. Okay, now we don't want it to cast shadows, and we don't want it to receive shadows because it would look a little strange. I'm going to make this different. I'm going to make it look like this. Let's see how it looks. Okay, a little better. I like this, but now it's completely white. Let's test another color. I can see that it's trying to paint green, like behind the character it's green. You guys can see that. I don't think it's like green enough. Let's put it like this. Okay, now you can see it's kind of green. And it's actually not a bad color. We had this. It looks cool. I liked it. And of course, just because I said that, it reset. I forgot I was doing changes in edit mode. So that's great. There we go. I'm gonna save this. Honestly, let's try doing the test build so you can see how it's going. So I'm going to go file, edit, build, and let's see some edits here. I don't think I have enabled for Linux builds, which defeats the purpose of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Unity website, Linux build. Let's find it. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, I can re-download Unity and just actually download the build. Okay. Actually, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna save this here real quick. Yeah, there we go. It's really fast. Let's close Unity because we don't want stuff getting corrupted. Accept 64. Is that Linux, Mac, and actually not Mac, but GL, Android, which I actually think I already have. And we could do this. Next. It's going to download some stuff. We're going to wait, and until then, what we're going to do is, no, we actually have to wait for this, but I'm going to be messing around in here, and then when Unity says we can't do stuff, then we'll stop. Okay, so let's think about this now a little before we start going ham on it. We can't have too much stuff like happening if we're not like, oops, yeah. It just asked me to stop this, so there you go. Let's close Unity. It is installing Unity, so let's wait. And yes, it's deleting a bunch of old stuff. It's deleting all my old Unity installation. Oh, sorry, I hit the microphone here by accident. It's deleting all of my old Unity installation, and then it's going to install stuff over. So I'm going to turn off the display. You guys do not need to see that happening. So I'm going to be here. If there's anyone in chat that wants to ask questions, I will be here. Okay. So, I'm thinking here, how should I do music, right? We want music. So I'm seeing if I should get free sound effects or if I should make them using LMS. But I'm not really good at like this kind of stuff. So if I was going to do that, I would probably suck at it. So let's see if I can get some synthesizer notes. Okay, I'm going to pause my song here. Let's try. I'm going to try listening to some stuff on OpenGameArt. I like this one. I'm going to search for star and see if I can find any sound bits that look cool. Because I think I found a song here that's going to be like I don't know. I think it can work. Yeah, guys, the installation is still going here. It's slower than it looks. Now it's starting to download the documentation. I can't seem to find a good star. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, I found two pieces of sound that I liked. One of them will be for the start. I'm going to enable here to display real quick. One of them is this. That's going to be for the start, and the other one is this. It's going to be for the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download stuff. Right. not just saving it like randomly. Let's save it. Linux Game Jam, Unity, SynthQuest, assets, sounds, Bitcoin Echo.wav, and let's make some. Actually, no, we don't need to do that. Let's just link this to like in the folder so people know where it's coming from. I'm going to create this file here. That's going to be sources, and I'm going to paste both links. Oh, you guys can see this. I'm just doing this so if anyone needs to know where I got it, there it is. Here. That guy on this happy accident, which is this going to be like the background music. He said he has like the normal version, a loop with an intro and then a loop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the loop with the intro and then the loop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the loop with the intro, and as soon as that finishes, I'm going just to play the loop. And we're going to close this, and let's see how Unity is going. Yeah, Unity is its own beast. So let's try playing this. I'm not sure if you guys can capture that. Can you guys hear this? Okay, let's try this. Okay, I'm going to transition here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play this. This is loop with intro. Right? I'm going to add this to the playlist. This is how it's going to. This is what's going to be playing like in the background. I don't know what you guys think about it. It's kind of trippy. It's like... I don't know, it kind of hypes up. I think I like it. And it just loops around that for a while, and the other was just like straight up a loop. And this is our sound pickup sound, or coin pickup sound, which is kind of cool. I like it. Okay, let's do this. I don't want you guys listening to everything I'm doing here. You guys don't need to listen to that, so you guys won't. And well, this is taking longer than it should. I should have done that during break. I was actually fixing other software problems because I had to check if my VM for testing the Linux game was working, and now it is. But well, we have this problem, which is Unity. So I think I'm going to give it like 20 minutes and then I'll be back. What I'm going to do is, let's make this, I'm going to leave this message. I don't like people like to join here and see like where is he, and like so I'm going to do this.